Final section, section 6. Why does geography matter? You've probably been asking yourself that. Well, it just gives you ideas of where people are and where people live and what type of environment they live in. 90% of the world lives north of the equator. Most of the world's dry land is north of the equator, so that's probably why 90% of the world lives there. The area between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer is temperate. It has seasons. That means it's good for agriculture. Think of where the Arctic Circle is, 66 degrees north, and the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees north, and you'll figure out why that's a good area. Think of weather zones. You want to know that too for when if you're ever having to move. Polar's too cold, tropical's too hot. Temperate, which we just talked about, is just right. So why would knowing this be helpful to not only a country but to a person? If you're having to move and you look on the map and you realize that you're moving up into Greenland, which is ice all the time, you're going to want to know what you need to pack. If you're going on vacation in Jamaica, you're going to want to know what to pack. The weather zones tell you that stuff. That stuff's all on the map. You look at the equator, closer to the equator, it's going to get more humid. And then also you want to know about natural resources. This is important for any country you're in: coal, iron, water, oil, diamonds. So what does the country do if it doesn't have the resources it needs? It's got to go outside of the country. So it's got to figure out what other countries have and go and get those resources that they need from other countries, and hopefully they can trade and barter and use each other's resources accordingly. And then settlement patterns. What do people? Where do people want to be? Probably since 90% of the people are above the equator, they want to be there. And then what would make people move? Resources. And then migration is moving. Immigration is moving into a country, and immigration is moving out of a country. So you use all these factors that you can find on a map, and the ability to read geography and know what geography is, and that tells you why people go places. That's all, folks.